Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Skeletons.
Hello my lovely peoples, it's Odette here and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super awesome today. Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to be doing a very simple makeup look. I am going to show you guys the makeup and the outfit. I am heading out with some friends and I'm just going to keep this really simple. And I'm going to be using the Dear Mom palette from Jaclyn Hill. And it's not going to be one of those fussy kind of makeup. It's just going to be one of those really simple looks. I'm just trying to get everything okay on my desk. So I am just going to use one of these little silly tapes and put this just in the corner of my eyes. Again, really simple. You guys are going to see how I do my makeup. I don't make a big fuss when it comes to putting makeup on my face, guys. You already know that. So we're just going to stick that there. And we're going to try to do this, but we're going to try to keep this as neutral as possible. So, my friends are here, and all I can see is like sign language, but they are not going to interrupt me today. So they're very private people. They don't want to be on camera, but they just want to see how I do my videos. So, they are just sitting back and watching, and they're trying to make me laugh, and it's not going to work. Okay, so I do have the Dear Mom palette from Jaclyn Hill today. So we're just going to keep this very neutral. I'm just going to grab a blender brush and I'm going to start with Farm Girl, which is a light matte brown color. And I'm just going to keep this as a base. I mean, this color is very plain, very simple, very neutral. And again, it's called Farm Girl, which is this brown color up in the corner of the palette. It's just right above the green. And of course, if you do have this palette, you should know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna take a clean brush and I'm gonna go in with Pudding Girl, which is a deeper matte brown shade. And we are just going to put Pudding Girl somewhere here. I'm going to take a smaller brush and then I'm going to go in with Because I Said So, which is the dark color. And that color just goes right in the corner. So with a clean brush, I'm just going to blend everything together. Now, I'm going to take Family AF, which is the shimmer color. And this just goes right on the lid. Black eyeliner from Shein going in. Just gonna put a little mascara on before the lashes go on. Right. So that's the eyes already done. I'm just gonna go in with my lashes right now, and I'm wearing Faith again today. This is my brand of lashes, and with these lashes you can wear them as much as you want. I mean, just keep in mind that it doesn't matter how long you do have your lashes. You know, you have to always change them every once in a while. So don't think you're gonna have them in your collection for ever and ever. But you know, just like any other things that you do have in your collection. So I'm just going to put this on. Here we go. This is Faith right here. Okay. And I do have my mirror. So I'm just gonna bring my mirror close and we're just gonna put it on. So I just set it down in the center of my eyes and I kind of pull her a little bit to the front and then I just stick her in the corner and make sure she is completely stuck on. There we go. Let's just go in with her sister. There she is. You're gonna go in with the lash glue. Any lash glue of your choice would be fine. And there she is, and she is ready to go on. Okay, I remember when I started wearing lashes, I was like, oh my god, I'm never gonna get this. I mean, right away you can see the difference with both eyes, with lashes and without, because it really makes your eyes look so pretty. And especially if you can do a nice little wing, it looks so good. And it almost looks like your own lashes, to be honest with you guys. These are beautiful. All the ordering details will be down below. So let's just stick her in the middle, like I said. Just put her on top, just like so, okay? And again, we're just gonna pull it to the corner. I'm just gonna use my hand and wiggle her around to the front, and we're just gonna stick her down. And there we be. So I'm just gonna make sure that she is in place. And there we go, guys, the lashes are on. We are going to use the Fenty Beauty 400 foundation. And I'm just going to use one of my little sponges here. And I got these sponges from the dollar store. And I'm just going to use the white one. And so we are just gonna go in with 410 Fenty. Love this foundation. It makes your skin look like it's your natural skin. I mean, the Fenty Beauty foundation is such a beautiful foundation. I mean, look at that. Look at how quickly that blends into my skin. And this is in the shade 400. I was thinking of going in with a highlighter, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. I'm just going to keep it really simple. And next I'm going to use my NW43 powder from MAC. This is so simple and so easy. Effortless makeup, I'm telling you. So I'm going to be going in with a little blush, and this is from NagiCosmetics. I love this blush. It's called GoldFish, one of my favorite blushes. And I'm going to tell you something, guys. When you put this on your cheeks, it lightens up your face. I mean, look at that. I hope you guys can see. Just right on the cheeks, you got this little sweet hint of pink and color on your cheeks. It's just pretty. This is one of the best blushes I have used. I mean, look at how beautiful this looks on my cheeks. It gives your cheeks and your face such a beautiful, lovely, rosy color. I mean, look at that. So pretty. It's not a shimmer or anything. It just gives you that nice matte finish. very, very lovely. It's called GoldFish from NagiCosmetics. I'm actually smiling because I'm ignoring the sign language that's going on behind the scenes. But I'm almost done. I'm almost finished, just hanging there. So my friends are actually here, 2 of them are actually here right now, and they're just giving me sign language. So I'm almost done. Okay, I'm almost done. Get you on channel. Okay, so let me just get moving. So I'm going in with this lip gloss from Sephora, and you guys would have seen this on Instagram. It's called Tan Lines. And normally when I have lip glosses like these, I don't just go on my lips like that. I take a lip brush and I put this on, because you know, you may have, let's say for example, dry skin on your lips or something like that, and you don't want this going into the product. So you're just gonna put this on quickly. This is a lovely lip gloss, and I'm going to use the lip liner. I'm not quite sure what this lip liner is called. It's from MAC, and I think I just need to sharpen this a little bit. I think it's called Mahogany, but I've had this for such a long time and the name is faded, so we're just going to go in. Okay, that looks really good. So we're just going to set everything with the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. And again, with this setting mist, you have to shake this up properly, because if you don't shake this up well, you're gonna have all of these white mist on your face. So let's just go spray this, okay? All right. So while this is drying on my skin, let me show you guys my outfit, what I'm going to be wearing, and then we are going to wrap up this video, okay? Okay, so I forgot to show you guys the finished look of the makeup, and this is it. Really easy, really simple. I did not go in with too many things on my face because, like I said, I'm going out with 2 of my friends and I'm keeping it simple, and I use that Jaclyn Hill palette. So now I can show you the outfit. Here we go. Okay, my lovelies, I'm just going to show you guys the full outfit. This necklace is from H&M, okay? The earrings are from River Island. I had these for a very long time, and of course, this is the makeup, and I'm just wearing my eye watch today. And let me show you guys the leggings. These leggings are from PrettyLittleThing. I really like them. It has a lovely sheen to it, which I really, really like. And while we're done here, we're just going to talk about the shoes. I've had these shoes in my collection for a very long time. They're very, very, very comfortable, and they're purple. Let me just bring it a little close so you guys can see. This is what the shoe looks like. You guys would have seen this a long time ago, and I think I got this from probably River Island or maybe Asos a long time ago when we were going to Venice, I think, or Monte Carlo. I had these shoes. This is like a long time ago. Okay, they are very, very, very comfortable. So I'm just gonna put them back on. Okay, and it just slip on nicely on my feet. And this is a simple tank top I'm wearing, and this is from Spanx. Okay, it's just nice and stretchy. Love that. And it's very, very, very pretty. And the kimono top, if you guys can see, this is from Shein. Okay, there we go. And it has a lovely embroidery just to the back right here. Hope you guys can see that. And I do love the sleeves as well. The sleeves are very, very pretty. Okay, and so it has 2 sets of strings. I'm not quite sure why, but I'm just going to tie the one just right here. Okay, and that's it. And I'm just going to show you guys the bag I'm going to be taking. And this is my handbag. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. The handbag is from River Island. River Island is one of my favorite places to shop for things. They're very, very modern and very ladylike, very in style, not too overdone. They're very, very, very pretty. And I do love the hardware details on the bag. You have this little keychain detail right here. Love it. I'm not going to show you guys what's in my bag. It's just a typical things for date night. And this is the bag. So I'm just going to bring my camera down a little. And there we go. Okay, this is a full ensemble and we are ready to go for the day. The girls are very impatient. I know, I'm coming ladies, I'm coming. And this is the full outfit. And everything that I'm wearing, I'm going to leave in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to mimic this look or try to find something that's similar. But this kimono top is just beautiful. And of course, if you guys love these kind of videos, please let me know. Leave me a comment in the description box and I can do a lot more of these videos for you guys. And on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!
Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off.